Ready, come up.
That little blue team, have y'all played them before?
Yeah, played them last.
Yeah, we play them every week. Yeah, basically.
Green team's got all the. Four players.
Yeah, the next game was going to be tough.
Yeah, that's what we're tied. That's what we're tied. Yeah, we play them. Back, back.
Go on, dig.
Good job. Way to be tough.
Clear offense. Hey, third down, here we go.
Hold them right here, boys. Watch his eyes, Grady. You ready now, Raiders? Hold them.
Got it.
Guard him, guard him.
Stay with your man. Stay with him, Zach.
Go on, Vince, go.
Stay with him, Zach.
Outside, go, yeah, go. Hey, fourth down. Don't let them get anything. Hey, runs all the way now. Okay, they got to pass it. Zach, stay on them.
All right, hold them right here, boys. That, Grady. Ready now.
Let's go offense. Zach.
Stay with him, Zach.
Go on, yeah. Go. Zach, which guy?
All right, let's hold him now. Come on. Raiders. Stay with him, Dalton.
Got that?
Hold on, we got a flag that man. Good job.
All right, come on.
Man to man. Come on.
Guys, get up, ready?
Hold 'em, boys. All right, we gotta have a touchdown now. Scored on it. Let's go offense, we need a score now.
On the ball. Straight left.
Go, Sonny, go! Turn it on! Yeah! Woo! Good job, Trevor and Alright, let's get some 2 points out here.
Straight left side. Whoever comes up, line up, you kill him. Alright, hey, Cooper, rotate left. Cooper, go. John, stay on him. Put it straight in your head on. Stay on ready. Good job.
Good job. Way to catch the ball.
You all right, bud?
Okay.
First knee.
Alright, let's go defense, hold them now.
We ready to guard somebody now?
Alright, defense. Gotta hold them, boys. Get the flag.
You got the running back.
Come up.
Good job, boy.
All right, they got a pass. Huddle up.
Alright, let's hold them, boys.
Go get the ball. Back, ready? Back.
Back. Woo!
Good job. You all right? Trevor, good job.
Stay on it.
Alright, let's hold them, D. That flag.
They got to throw it. They got to throw it.
Time's great.
Throw it. Oh!
Good defense.
Oh, good try. Hold it right here.
Who set up last time?
him. Watch him.
Good job. Get it.
Nice.
Let's go.
Good
Hop up.
job.
Yeah.
Alright, come here, defense, come here.
Go offense.
Yes.
Get on.
Cooper, let's go. Hustle up. On the ball.
All right, let's go offense.
You take, get back. Get on somebody. Right here. Take, step back. Don't let them behind you. Watch the run play. Run. Pass, deep. Junior, get the ball.
Good try.
Good defense.
Hey, good job, Trevor. Good job.
Hustle right here.
Get the ball.
Sean, hurry. Defense, we're going to hustle up. We're going to get a little ball fast.
Fire truck.
Let's go. Hey, y'all take a big, hey.
All right, let's go offense. Get it going now.
Take a big step back and give them room. Big step back. Run. Watch the run. Go.
Good job. Yeah, baby, first down.
Good job.
Junior, come here. Everybody good? Huh? Right?
Doing okay?
How you good? I thought you were
How are you? How are you?
Never wanted to look at came out. My mind and my mouth are two different pages.
Mom did the first one.
I know.
Hey, you gotta stay on him though. You gotta move with him. Don't want him behind you. Cover him up. Back up. Don't want him behind you. They gotta pass the ball. Stay with him. Deep.
Hey, Trevor, come back to the ball. Don't wait on it. Go get the ball.
You're ready back on the ball. Let's go. Line up and get on somebody. Let's go right here. Don't let them behind you. Come on, get on the ball.
Hey, don't wait on it. Go back to the ball.
All right, watch him in motion. Stay with him. Go, ball. Good job, Nick. Good job. Come here. Hurry.
Throw the ball in.
Hey, Nick, come here. Hurry. Hey. Stay on him. Let's go. Don't worry about what down he is. Worry about the ball. Hold him tight right here. Hey, hold him tight right here. It's going to be a short pass. Yeah, hey, step over this side. Back up, guys. Back up.
Safety. Junior, back up.
Hey, watch the place with the ball. Watch out. Back up. Stay on him. Cooper, stay on him moving. Caleb, get him. Go.
Let's go.
Good job, guys.
Defense, come here. Roll out. Kinzer, come here. Roll out. Kinzer, come here. All right, y'all ready? All right, right here. Let's go. Hey, they can run the ball, remember.
Hey, go.
Read the field, son. Are you ready?
Hey, watch, run. Pass. Don't hold him.
Bang.
Good job, Kinzer. What did you do with this, Kinzer?
All right, off finish.
All right, defense, y'all got to hide them now.
Both sides are there? All right.
Get them off of it. Okay, don't let nobody grab it. Don't let nobody grab it. Hey, get the ball back.
2 minutes!
Come on, defense, get the ball back. Back, Grady. Go get it, Grady.
Good defense out there.
Here we go.
Junior, out. Stay.
Come on, guys, let's go.
All right, let's go offense. Get it going now.
Hurry. Get the ball.
Back up, sir. Back up.
Don't let him beat you. Don't let him beat you down. Hey, ball.
Good job, sir.
Get the ball.
Good job. Let's hold him now, defense. All right, hold him, boys.
Get him.
Last play.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, last play to half. 40 seconds. Last play to half.
Back off of him a little bit. Trevor, back off of him, Tom. Back off. Stay back.
Come on. Good job.
Pass deep. Oh.
Good job, boy.
Come down once you go, okay? Defense, here. Same thing.
Hey, that's a pretty good cover. You got to throw the ball earlier.
Listen, we'll talk to you if we can.
Yeah, wait too long till they get set up, standing around. But, you know, they're learning. Yeah. They're all learning.
They can still pass the ball. Hand off, ball, hand off.
He had 3 flags. No. I think all them other boys losing their flags. That's the first thing I've seen. I've seen a flag on the ground.
Huh? Well, I know, but somebody else is going to drop.
Offense, go. Offense.
See how big them boys are, them green team? Pretty good sized kids. Yeah. Where they from? Here from Redmond? Yeah, that's true. I bet they're the older boys. A couple of them are 2, 3 years older than us. I guess they was held back, you know, or whatever. Well, you can tell that. Yeah, you can tell. He's a good player too.
All right, guys, stay with them. Let's go, Tiger Shark. Come get it, Alexia.
Come on, defense, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, stay in there, stay in there, stay in there.
Get out here. Defense, let's go.
Watch him, Lexi, watch him.
Good job, guys. Offense on field.
Come here, D. Come here, D. Hey, come here. Hey, come here.
Good job, boy.
Wait, come here. Hurry, hurry. Come on, come on, come on. Get somebody.
You all right, John?
Get them good right here.
You run your butt off.
Alright, let's go, guys. Take the ball.
Zane. Back over there, just run them up on him. Run, run, run.
Run! Get him out of bounds!
No, he wasn't. You can't listen to that. You got to make the call. No, he didn't. I got it on film, bud. Trying to listen to the fans. He didn't step out of bounds.
Hey, come on, hurry up. Hey, come on, Alexia.
Everybody's watching their feet. Those are the libertards and we're the Republicans.
Who's on that side? Hurry, hurry. You gotta be able to train. Ball, over there. Back to the end zone.
Throw it.
Alright, let's go, defense, hold them.
Stay on them.
Down, go get it. There you go. Woo! Stay with him, stay with him, stay, get him going for it. Come on, hold him, hold him, let's hold him.
They gotta throw it.
Come on.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
That's it. Our ball.
All right, second off, second off. Second off, man.
There you go, let's go. There you go, let's go. Play last time.
Remember, coaches, you got one timeout.
Cooper, sit down. Hey, sit down.
Good job today, Kyle. Good job.
Yeah, that chocolate donut goes good, Tom.
I thought I was working on something.
Hustle, on the ball, on the ball.
All right.
On the ball. Who's got Casey?
Go offense.
Guy.
Which one?
Stay with me. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hand off, hand off.
Go, Eddie, go! Eddie, don't stop. Get on your feet, Eddie. Upfield, Eddie.
Somebody go in for Atticus, somebody go in for
All right,
John.
come here, come here, come here.
Hey.
Okay, all ready? All right. Then just walk back to the box. You gotta pay attention, okay? Okay, get on somebody. Okay? It's already there.
All right, let's go,
Ball,
offense.
hey, right behind the ball, okay? Behind the ball. There you go. Pass deep.
Let's see, get open.
Pass deep. Go.
Good job, defense.
All right, stay on him. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, let's go, Raiders.
Scoot out, Casey. Scoot out.
Come on, defense.
Come on, hold him, D. Hold him, D. Stay with them. Stay with them.
Go, Casey, go, go.
Four down, come on, defense. Hold it.
Stay with them, stay with them, stay with them. Stay with them, stay with them. Deep ball,
Don't matter. It's fourth down.
All right, y'all gotta hold them now.
All right, come on, guys. I got nothing.
Yeah, almost. Hey, why you knock it down at least? Good job.
Let him get by you.
Got it.
No, get off the field.
The win, y'all can watch the score or watch the game.
I got one.
Interception, Greg.
He gets up there and he looks like he knows what he's going to do. You know, he's not ready to stand up. They went all right.
Hey, have the quarterback. Get a person.
Hey, y'all see how? Hey, defense. Y'all see how that got him out? They got him out of bounds. They didn't get a flag. Get him out of bounds. All right. Shove them, but just go towards the flag, but make sure they get out of bounds.
Both got red. Stop, Greg.
Noah, get your flag.
There's another flag.
Way too fast, John.
Height.
Hey, you don't need your flag. Stay back there.
Get them flags off of them. Right on the ball.
Stay back. Get back.
Back, Brady. Back, Brady. Back.
Line up, shake hands.
Line up, guys. Line up.